I always felt that we have unlimited power, and all the limitation, all the limiting thoughts somehow will melt when I was in nature. Walking to nature. Hi my friends, this is a habit that we have done many videos. Walking to nature. When I was a kid, when I was in the nature, I always felt that we have unlimited power, and all the limitation, all the limiting thoughts somehow will melt when I was in nature. And also seeing the beauty and the unlimited space, I just feel like drinking the beauty of the surroundings and also embrace the inside potential. So I hope you make walking to nature as part of your habit, as part of your daily routine or daily weekly routine or morning routine. And with that, it will be non-stop tapping into your natural self, and you will be non-stop loving, living, and giving every single moment of life.